Hello, London. Erica Mather coming to you from New York City. I'm looking forward to meeting you July 21st and 22nd. Now, I know you've got phenomenal forest yoga teachers like Christy and Hortense, and with such terrific resources, you might be wondering, what's special about Erica? I had the same question when Anna Forrest asked me to be a guardian. We're meant to discover for ourselves. My expertise is embodiment. I have a thriving private practice focusing on injuries, illness, and aging. I help people feel better in and about their bodies and therefore themselves on the whole. One of my clients calls me his witch. Something goes wrong, I'm the special forces. I also do private high-end body image coaching. I believe we can't live our dharma when we're warring with the body. My classes will address embodiment questions I've spent the past 2 decades pondering. I hope you're inspired to look at the 4 workshops I'm leading over the weekend of July 21st and 22nd and to attend some, if not all. All right, looking forward to meeting you, London. Peace out from New York City. Bye.